Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, September the 29th, 2021. We have here 6 extra puzzles in this additional: the letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, the 3-star Sudoku, and a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and a binary puzzle. And only 3 of them I will solve. And the second puzzle I will do is a binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 3466. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8x8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between 2 1s comes in O, between 2 O's comes in 1, between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Alright, double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 1s comes in O, double O, here 1, there 1, double 1, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Then, let me see. 3, 3, 3, 3. I'm thinking. How about these 2 rows, because it's almost the same. Let me compare. 1 1 0 0 1 1 empty box. 0 0 1 1 0 0 empty box. So we need to switch those 2 digits. Here we have O here, so this should be a 1. Here we have a 1 there, so this should be an O. Okay, and now, Oh, 10. This is almost the same here. This one, that one. Let me compare the columns then. Yeah. How about this column? And the second column. Empty box 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have O 1 here, this should be an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Yeah. Then, 1, 2, 3, 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1, okay? So this should... Okay. How about this 1 and 1? It's almost the same. Well. Between two ones comes an O. Now we have four O's. So the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Okay. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. And I've told you this one and that one's almost the same. Look. O, O, 1, 1, O, O, empty box. 1, 1, O, O, 1, 1, empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Okay. And now, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Okay. Then, how about 101? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. I need to compare this column. Double one. Do we have a double? Oh, yeah. This column. And this column. Yes. Okay. 1, 1, 1, 1, O, 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 1, 1, empty box, O, O. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have O there, this should be a 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Yes, finish in 7 minutes. Wow, a lot of comparing in this one. So, but I've completed, yes. And I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a few seconds with the last puzzle, a tectonic with 4 stars. Will be a hard one. Who knows? See you then. Bye bye. For now.